आपके rates तो बहुत ज़्यादा हैं. This is a statement which I get to hear very often from my patients. Now this could be regarding anything, regarding any part of the body, regarding any surgery. Today in this topic, I'm going to be discussing about हमारे rates ज़्यादा क्यों लगते हैं आपको. So let's talk about breast surgeries today, and we'll tell you कि how rates vary, what decides the rate of a surgery, and what factors you should be looking at while determining what pricing suits you. So breast surgery के बारे में जब query आती है, so patient essentially wants कि उसकी breast की shape improve कर दी जाए. This can encompass a lot of things. Most women would want an increase in the volume. Most women would want a lift in the breast. These are the most common queries we receive. And the third category is of people who want a reduction in the size of the breast. So let's see what determines the pricing of a surgery. So say for instance, a lady comes to me and says that, doctor, I want to increase the size of my breast and also want to improve its shape. So here the factors which come into play are the age of the patient, the amount of sagging she has, and also the volume which she originally has. So if it's a young girl and she has no issue of sagging and she simply wants that the volume of her breast should increase, then the answer is very simple. We'll simply put in a breast implant. It's a one-step surgery, and again, the results are going to be immediate. Also, the cost here would be essentially based on the type of implant we're using, the brand of implant we're using, and that's about it. Now let's come to somebody who says that, doctor, I'm in my 40s, I have completed my family, now my breasts are very saggy and they are loose and hanging, and I want them to look nice and perky. I want the size to increase. Now here the treatment plan will be totally different. Here I cannot simply put in an implant and it doesn't stop there, because then I'll be giving her larger hanging breast. So now what I have to do is to also lift the breast. तो अभी हमारे cost में क्या हो जाएगा? Cost बढ़ेगी, क्योंकि we are going to be increasing the size, जिसके लिए हमें implant चाहिए, जिसका cost है. Also we are going to be doing something called a breast lift procedure. Now breast lift procedure में cost बढ़ जाती है. Why? Because duration of surgery increase हो गई, technicality increase हो गई, surgical expertise बढ़ गई. Now breast implant surgery एक घंटे की surgery है. Breast lift or implant, जिसे हम implant mastopexy कहते हैं, this takes about 3 hours. So what increases is obviously the surgical time, the anesthesia cost, the anesthetist fees, the consumables required during surgery, all these increase. तो जो surgery आपकी breast implant की suppose it cost you around 1.5 lakhs, whenever a lift is involved, then this can again increase to, depending upon the kind of work required, depending upon the surgeon, upon the center, it can go up to 2.5 to 3 lakhs when we're doing a lift and an implant combined. The third kind of surgery, as I said, is breast reduction surgery. Again, इसके भी बहुत caveats हैं. Many people will say that बस मेरा breast का size कम कर दो, मेरे को lift कर दो. Some people would want that breast का size कम भी करना है, उसके साथ साथ कुछ specific portions में fat grafting के द्वारा एक अच्छी shape भी देनी है. So again, this is another caveat which decides as to how much the surgery is going to cost you. Or say if the breast reduction is also going to be accompanied by a certain amount of liposuction in the armpits, which is called axillary breast or axillary fullness. So again, it will depend on as to whether we have any additional procedures to be combined during the breast reduction to give the desired result, or we simply need to do a breast reduction. What I'm trying to explain in a nutshell is that the cost of a surgery is also dependent on the work required. It's not that we are going to quote you some random figure. It is not that we are going to overcharge you simply because you have inquired at a center where the plastic surgeon is, of repute or has multiple years of experience. When you are thinking about any breast procedure, be very clear as to what is your concern, and also have an open consultation with your plastic surgeon where he or she will explain to you what all that entails. Size बढ़ाने के लिए क्या करना है, lift बढ़ाने के लिए क्या करना है. So instead of saying that the cost is high, try and understand why it is so. One very important fact I would want to tell my patients during this video is that, especially in the case of breast implants, the cost is largely determined. I would say 80% उसका जो factor होता है वो है the quality of the implant being used. अगर आप चाहते हैं कि एक reputed, branded, international company, FDA approved company का implant आप use करें, तो ऑब्वियसली उसकी कॉस्ट बढ़ेगी. इफ यू सेइंग दैट ओ नो आई विल बी ओके विद एनी इम्प्लांट, आई एम श्योर नो पेशेंट कभी ये कहेगा कि एक चाइनीज और एक कोरियन इम्प्लांट डाल दूं. नोबडी रियली विशेस दैट. सो द कॉस्ट इज मेनली बेस्ड ऑन दैट. So that is one thing you should be always very cautious about, what kind of implant is going into your body. For instance, if you come to our center, we'll be using just reputed brands, and as a proof we'll be giving you the warranty card which has the barcode, which has everything mentioned as to what company it belongs to. And also you'll notice that these brands are FDA approved or CE approved. So that is very important. As I said, the other factors which are minor factors would be obviously where you're searching for the surgery. If you're looking for the surgery in a metro, then probably they're going to be more expensive. If you're going to a surgeon who has more years of experience, then again the surgery is going to cost you more. Furthermore, in a corporate setup, obviously the surgery cost is going to be more. But even though all these factors do play a role, what essentially determines the cost of the surgery is always the combination of procedures involved in giving you your desired result. So next time, please ये मत कहिएगा cost बहुत ज़्यादा है. पता करने की कोशिश कीजिए cost क्यों ज़्यादा है. Thanks for watching. Any further doubts, please feel free to reach out to us.